Hi and welcome to WigganRC, and today there's a quick video. I've got my Fatshark HD3s here and I want to spruce things up. So there is my DX6 from Spektrum, and I've contacted the crew from Canada, nxgraphics.ca, and they've done some custom stuff for me. So I'm very pleased to show you my new decals. That's going to be the Jamaican colours for the Fatsharks, and then this is going to be for my transmitter. So really excited. So I'm going to crack on with it and I'll come back when I'm partly the way through. So removed the faceplate and ready to clean them with some mentholated spirits or some alcohol, and then we're going to just use a blade to take off and some tweezers to take off the stickers. Okay, and just before I do the decals for the DX9, what I'm going to do here is simply separate my DX6. You can see the inside there. I'm going to replace the switch there. That needs replacing. Just got and ordered a new one. And then what I've done is I've also soldered to the negative and positive to the power of the 4000 milliamp battery that I use for my DX6, which is that one there. So these plugs go into that, and then what I've done is I've removed the cover from this, and this is to power the XT30 on the TBS Crossfire. So might as well kill two birds with one stone and get that all wired up as well. So just be careful if you do this mod to make sure that you don't get any of the wires trapped and in any of the screw holes, and simply solder the red, white signal and the negative back where it goes and screw it back together to replace any of your broken switches. Okay, so here it is, the finished products, and it is looking awesome. So the new Fatshark HD3s have been totally reworked and they look awesome. We're running the TBS Triumph and the True RC crosshair, and here is the receiver. Amazing result. I'm really happy with it. Very different, and as you can see around here, it's personalised to WigganRC, and on the back I've made the modifications coming out of the hole for the crossfire. So that's going straight in, and then the cable's going straight into the trainer port, and that's the company nxgraphics.ca, and they've got some great designs. I was lucky enough to get a custom made design, something different to what they sell to the public, but it's awesome. So we're really ready for our next FPV adventure with these two, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. So thanks again for joining WigganRC. Hope you like the mods. I'll leave a link in the description for the place that did the graphics for me, and we shall see you soon.